How to fix Messenger not receiving calls or messages. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. If your internet is fine, but you're still facing issues, you should check if the Messenger server is experiencing any problems. To do this, open a web browser and search "Is Messenger not working?" down detector. Click on the first link. If the website shows no ongoing issues, like in the example on the screen, then the problem is likely with your device. However, if it indicates there is a problem with the server, then Messenger is experiencing issues and it's not related to your device. In this case, you'll just need to wait for them to resolve it. If there's no server issue and other fixes haven't worked, then the final step is to uninstall and reinstall the Messenger app. And that's it.